Hello everybody, welcome to my channel with another quick tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue while your screen recording and voice is not recording. If you are experiencing not being recording the voice while you are screen recording in your iPhone, here is the some steps that you have to follow for the solution. First step is you have to scroll here and you have to click here, long click, and then you can see here maybe in your case microphone is off, so you have to make it on. Once you make it on and you try to record and see is working or not. And the second method is simply you have to restart your iPhone. Sometimes some small glitches can be vanished or restore while you are restarting your iPhone. And third option is you have to go to setting, you have to go to reset, then you have to do the all reset. Okay, when you go to all reset you have to type the passcode, then after reset, if there is some glitches or some issues in the hardware, it will be restored, then it will be fix the issue. If it still is not working, maybe there is issue in the hardware, so you have to go to the near to Apple service store near your area. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video with another informative video. Till then, goodbye and have a good day. Take care.